We are Thermo Fisher Scientific, the world leader in serving science. At our site in Rochester, New York, we develop and manufacture life-saving plastic products. In response to the COVID-19 pandemic, we invested in a new 20,500 square foot Class 7 clean room that we like to call the Matrix Room. This area is dedicated to manufacturing our Thermo Scientific Nalgene, Nunk, and of course, the Matrix branded cryogenic storage and sample processing tubes. The Matrix Room is now complete, and we'd like to welcome you inside so you can see how cryotubes are made. It all starts with molding. Class 6 virgin polypropylene resin is transported to the injection molding machines. The IMMs melt the plastic and inject it into mold cavities to form the tubes. Our virgin resins minimize the risk of extractables and leachables interfering with our customer samples. Our Matrix and Nunk universal caps are made using a two-shot mold that first injects the hard plastic for the body of the cap, then injects and permanently bonds the soft seal material to the hard plastic. These two-shot caps create the highest seal integrity and eliminates any chance of cross-contamination experienced by traditional cap manufacturing methods. The caps and tubes then flow through the conveyor into our state-of-the-art Class 7 clean room. Once the tubes and caps enter the clean room, they undergo their first quality check to ensure the molded parts meet our stringent requirements. If all looks good, it's off to the assembly area. We more than tripled our assembly capacity with new lines and improved throughput resulting from the added automation. Automation not only allowed us to increase our efficiency, but also ensures every tube meets our high-quality standard. Every tube is leak tested to ensure customers can trust their precious samples will be secure in a Matrix or Nunk tube. Tubes are then hot stamped with a permanent foil and etched with a unique 2D laser barcode. This process creates the highest quality and longest-lasting barcode readability on the market. To ensure this quality, each barcode receives 100% visual inspection, and the team take pride in how the products they're making are impacting the world. The automated capper then picks up the caps we molded earlier and caps the tubes, applying enough torque to test the tube and cap seal. It's then on to the barcode verifier to ensure machine readability and that there are no repeating barcodes against the millions of tubes currently in the market. For customers who need an extra level of sample traceability, like those working in biobanking, clinical trials, or molecular diagnostics, we also offer our WP1D series, where we read the 2D barcode on the bottom of the tube and print a matching 1D and human-readable barcode on the side. And then off to the packing area, so they can go off and help our customers develop life-saving therapies.